Hello, my name is Paula Saudio, and this is the oral analysis for the story Let's Go Fishing That. The first question says, which storytelling techniques did you employ? How effective were the techniques? Well, I tried to use changes in the tone of voice and gestures to keep the audience engaged in the story. Additionally, the use of the audio visuals, the images that appear in the screen while reading the story allows the student to follow along and understand parts that they may have missed through the auditory means. The second question says, what genre is the story and for what age group is intended? Well, the genre of this story is narrative, and I consider that it's intended for children aged around 9 and 11 years old. And it's because the mainly because of the vocabulary that is used, that is like a lot of words and different concepts. The third question says, what themes, messages does this story convey, and why are they important? Well, there is also there first the understanding and empathy, while understanding that others may have pressures and hard moments we don't always see, of responsibility and service to others. The story definitely encourages readers to value public service uh, and also to contribute positively to their communities. And patient and communication. Does the story models like healthy emotional expression and patience? The fourth question says, what are two potential changes, sensitivities in the story that you need to consider for young learners? Uh, the first one is going to be the feeling of disappointment or rejection. As you can see in the story, Kenny many times feels sad or upset because he doesn't have the complete attention from his father. So many young readers may identify with these. It is important for us, like teachers, to guide young learners, emphasizing that even when adults are busy, it doesn't mean that they love their children less. And the second one, it's going to be the understanding of responsibility. The story introduces the idea that adults sometimes must prioritize work or community duties over personal plans. So, as educators, we need to help explain the importance of this responsibility and this service to community. That at the end is a good thing for everybody. And the last question says, reflecting on the entire storytelling experience, what could you do differently next time and why? I think that it would have been a very good idea to have implemented question sections or pauses between pages. And this is because that would be a great space or a great opportunity to allow the students to participate and bring their opinions or the ideas or even questions or for me to explain better a situation about the meaning of the story.